Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh. Today is the 9th of March 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly or bi-weekly prediction for Bitcoin, BTCUSD. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational and therefore you should conduct your own analysis before taking any positions. So, monthly charts, Bitcoin had a huge run up. We had this little correction here, huge run up, but then especially this candle here, I think this was around when President Trump got elected, and then we have this crash down in February, and it seems as if we had a run up, but then price crashed back down again for Bitcoin. And this is largely because of the moves that the president has been making, including tariffs, etc., which hasn't been particularly great for Bitcoin. But also, just recently, President Trump added Bitcoin to the U.S. Crypto reserve. So that may be a good sign as well in the country showing faith in crypto. So that may end up being a good news for Bitcoin as well. So we see MACD is bullish, RSI bullish as well. So no problems there on the monthly front. Again, in daily charts, we had this double top pattern. We didn't have a breakout in this candle. This is a very, very weird hanging man candle. But then we had a strong bearish week here. So this may indicate the bearish confirmation that we need. And we see this in the volume, RSI as well, MACD, all bearish now. So again, this is clearly showing bearish tilt towards price action for Bitcoin. And personally, that's where I lie as well. So that's what we get from the weekly charts. Again, even in more detail, daily charts show a very clearly downward sloping RSI. I mean, this was diverging ever since this pattern was before this pattern even finished. So we had a very good indication beforehand that this was going to be the case. We can see MACD, it peaked up for a little bit and now it's bearish again. That's where we lie on the daily chart. So we have strong bearish signals coming from the weekly and daily charts and kind of a mixed signal from the monthly charts. And now if I move to the Bitcoin one here, and let me change this to the 21st. I forgot to do that for all of my videos. And then we can also increase this to 5%. Okay. So again, the last prediction was profitable. Feel free to look through these values, and I'll scroll here so you can see them in more detail. You can pause the video. Okay, but for this week, for the week ending on the 21st of March, for the prediction for the week ending on the 21st of March, we predict that if Bitcoin goes over 88,730, we will buy, and if Bitcoin goes below 82,240, we will sell, with a target of 5%, trailing stop loss of 1.25%. If neither the target or stop loss is hit, then we will just close on the Friday. The weekly trend is up, but the monthly trend is up as well. However, with this breakdown, we may expect a weekly trend reversal to downwards. But yeah, let's see how it goes. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.